My hands are cracked, the fire burns low. You said it'd be spring, but the frost still shows, and the river runs fast, but never slow. Waterfall wishes, dreams tumble down. They hit the rocks, they don't make a sound. The echo lingers, then it's drowned. Waterfall wishes, they don't stick around. I walk the ridge where the hawks don't sleep. The stones underfoot, they cut so deep. You whispered my name, but the wind won't keep the words that I lost, the ones I can't read. Is it the mountain, or is it the man? What slips through fingers? What stays in the sand? Waterfall wishes, dreams tumble down. They hit the rocks, they don't make a sound. The echo lingers, then it's drowned. Waterfall wishes, they don't stick around. Moss grows quiet where the sunlight fades, a story untold in the shadow it lays at night. Just a leaf on the river's sway, caught in the pool, swept away.